Here at BimmerTech, you know we're always trying to come up with new products for you. I mean, let's face it, we like new technology just as much as you do, which is why we came up with our Alpha 1 amp that you're familiar with. It's powerful, plug and play, and almost perfect. But almost means that there's room for improvement. So we did just that. Let me present to you our new Alpha 1 amplifier. Just a quick note from our sponsor, Alpha 1. Black Friday deals have started, so head on over to our website and place your order now because this stock will move quickly. And now, back to the video. Plenty has changed with this amp to make it more powerful and customizable than ever before. But our core beliefs have not. This amp is still top in the industry when it comes to being ready to go out of the box. No one does it like we do. Each amp comes with a custom bracket for your BMW or Mini and all plug-and-play harnesses. I mean, it's what we've been known for years, so why change, right? However, let's do a bit of an unboxing to show you what has changed. It's GoPro time, so let's take a closer look at the box and see what you'll get. First off, the new box. It's way more durable than before, sexy. But, even sexier is the new amp. It's smaller, more powerful. We've gone into that, we'll go into more of that later. But, let's open this up, and inside, you'll see that attached to the amp is the custom bracket for your BMW, in this case a G01. It's already installed and ready to go. You'll also see our new harness is way cleaner than the previous one, and the power cables can be plugged in or out directly from the amp. No more screwing in the power cables like previously. Next, you'll see this bag. And in this bag, you'll get your USB cable, which you will hook up to the amp, so that way this end can go into a laptop if you ever need to access the files in the amp, change the tuning, whatever. You always want to make sure this is slightly accessible, so install this either hanging out the trim or very close to the trim, so that way it's easy to get to. You'll also get this remote in-out cable, which is going to be used if you are attaching an external sub. Beyond that, you're not really going to need this, but plug it in so you don't lose it. Also, you'll also get this adapter cable, which is used for future-proofing of the amp. We're not going to be using this right now, but you want to plug it into your amp so you don't lose it. And you'll also get whatever hardware you need for the install, which in this case for G01 is this nut right here. Now that you know what you get with the amp, let's talk a little bit more about where it goes and how you plug it in. Now, we just got this 2020 G01 as our new shop vehicle, and we'll show you a full install with this amp later on, but in most cases for BMWs, the amp is going to be located in the trunk area for this G01 right here. Now again, the amp is going to come with the bracket already installed, but you will need to plug it in, so let's show you how you do that. All right, so everything is pretty straightforward, but let's just show you how you do it anyway. So for the main harness, your system connector is going to go right in here. Pushed in until it clicks. This is going to be your high level input. This is going to be your power. Here, you're going to have your remote in and out. And last but not least, on the main harness is going to be your speaker output right here. We're going to flip the amp around. This is going to be your adapter cable. And this is going to be your USB cable. USBs, always. And here you go, fully plugged in amp. Great, so we have this new amp. You know what's in the box and the basics of how to hook it up. But what actually makes this amp better than our old amp? Let's go over some key points. First off, this amp is quick and easy to install. While that's not new, it's still worth mentioning. Second, this amp has all new electronics and more advanced processing features that allow us to squeeze out even more quality and performance from the audio of the system. Third, custom tuning is key. This amp comes preloaded with custom tuning files for either OEM speakers or Alpha 1 speakers. If you want a more tailored sound, we offer further support by allowing you to chat with one of our audio specialists that can really dial in the sound just how you want. Fourth, to further piggyback on custom tuning, the amp allows for up to 10 preloaded switchable tuning files to be stored in the amp's memory. Fifth, did we mention custom tuning? When you purchase our amp, you'll fill out a questionnaire about your music and how you listen to it, so we can not only tune your amp to the BMW you're driving, but your own ears. And sixth, it's all about power. This amp delivers 21% more power compared to our last one, with a max power of 1,420 watts compared to 1,120 watts of the old one. And that's more power than you could ever use safely anyway. And last but not least, the features, functions, and processing power of the amp's DSP have been greatly enhanced. Now, we won't bore you with the technical details, but let's just say that the new dynamic bass enhancement and real center processing really works. But we'll get into the details of that in future videos. And there you have it, a quick rundown on our new amp. And with this amp, we prove that size doesn't matter and big things come in small packages. Okay, well, the box is still imposing, but our amp is much smaller and much more powerful. Get yours today by heading on over to our website, entering your VIN to get the correct amp for your vehicle. And for the best listening experience, you're going to want to pair this up with an Alpha 1 speaker system as well. And don't forget about our BimmerTech DIY Essentials Kit and Trim Toolkit to help you get the job done. For more videos like this, tips and tricks, product reviews, installs, and so much more, including installing this amp on our G01, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to ring that bell. And hey, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.